foundation, guess what? They're gonna trigger a problem. This doesn't, because it's not their jurisdiction. It's not real property.
Okay, what about how do you do with the sewer, water, electric?
This is the answer to how you deal with
Perfect. Okay, here you go.
water.
And this one's as simple as a spigot. Water comes in as a hose. It gives you all the pressure that you need for the shower, the sinks, everything. You have the waistline. You have a 3-inch waistline underneath here. So you just hook it up to the main.
And main what?
At
Main
the house.
sewer.
The main sewer at the house. Okay. When you build an ADU, guess what? They make you build a sewer line out to the street.
Yeah.
With this, you don't have to do that. You
Okay.
go to the house.
Yep.
That's a considerable cost.
Oh,
When you build an ADU, you have to add sprinklers now. You don't have to do that with this. When you build an ADU, you got to make it solar ready. You don't have to do that with
so don't
this.
worry about ADUs. Okay, so here, you're the wrong person for me on ADUs, okay? All right, so here, I'm thinking my business is different. Okay?
What is it?
I do tax lien and tax deed investing, so that's why I'm interested in this, okay?
Okay.
So now you have
What do you think about it? Okay.
you have this connected to the sewer line,
Right.
Okay. What about the
Power?
electricity power?
So you got a 50 amp connector on the side. It connects not unlike a Tesla charger, right? It's a 50 amp connector, but instead of charging batteries, you're providing continuous power to the tiny home.
So you buy a battery for it, right?
No. The Tesla example probably isn't the best. It's the same cable, right? It comes from the control panel of your house.
What happens if I don't have a house? I just want to have this on a vacant land.
this is an additional dwelling unit.
It's an accessory dwelling unit.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was additional.
That's what the code is.
Accessory.
Now, there is an exception to this. There is the exception. If your property is ED1 eligible, right? Karen Bass passed the affordable housing, initiative, the priority. Okay, if your property is ED1 eligible, there is a. We can thread the needle on this. This can be done as an affordable housing community on that lot.
Okay, what about, so this is only, you doing this just for LA City or around the country? What are you doing?
LA City, yes. LA County, no. San Diego City, yes. San Diego County, no. Riverside City, yes. Riverside County, no. Maine, full on. Colorado, full on. Northern California, it's all over the place. Here. This will give you a good idea.
Okay, so
Looks like he has a handout.
a lot of stuff.
Go stroke out ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Talk soon.